Asia: Philosophy and Innovation. Asian thinkers shaped society and politics. Confucius taught ethics and harmony. Laozi promoted balance with nature. Buddha taught morality and enlightenment. Indus Valley had advanced city planning, and China invented paper printing, compass, and gunpowder. The Silk Road spread foods, ideas, and culture. Asia played a major role in world history. Next slide is rise of Islam in 7th century. Islam emerged and taught the techniques of Muhammad in the 7th century. The Quran introduced new beliefs, moral values, and laws. Amplified Arabian tribes established Sharia and influenced government education in daily life. Next is Islamic Golden Age and Arab nationalism. Islamic Golden Age in the 8th to 14th century flourished under the Abbasid Caliphate. Baghdad became a center of learning where Greek, Persian, and Indian knowledge was preserved and developed. Scholars like Al-Khwarizmi, Ibn Sina, and Ibn Rushd made major contributions in math, medicine, and philosophy, influencing the European Renaissance. Next is Arab nationalism. In 19th to 20th century, a movement that promoted Arab unity and independence is grew after the decline of the Ottoman Empire and was strengthened by the Arab Revolt. It helped shape modern Middle East and Eastern states. Next slide is Iranian Revolution in 1979. The Iranian Revolution overthrew the monarchy of Mohammad Reza Pahlavi, but Ruhollah Khomeini to power established an Islamic republic and changed the relationship between religion and faith.